rear to ensure safety as the car will swing slightly to the right. Continue to reverse into the lot. When you look at the right side view mirror and see that the right side of the car is diagonally in line with the center of the rear curb, return the steering wheel to straighten the car. Continue to reverse into the lot. When you look at the right side view mirror and see that the rear right wheel touches the yellow line, full lock steering wheel to the right. Continue to reverse into the lot. When you look at the right side view mirror and see that the car is nearing the rear curb, return the steering wheel to straighten the car. Stop the car before the rear wheels touch the rear curb. Following this, inch forward to shift the car to the left or right such that it is positioned in the center of the lot and parallel to the left curb. Stop the car. Apply the handbrake. If you are driving a manual car, shift the gear lever to the neutral position. If you are driving an auto car, shift the gear lever to the park gear. To exit the lot, reverse the car slowly and stop the car before the rear wheels touch the rear curb. Check the front, left and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the course. Before exiting the lot, signal intention to the right and check the right blind spot. Drive forward slightly. Full lock steering wheel to the right and accelerate slightly to merge into the lane. Form up in the correct lane and continue to drive normally. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. As you are approaching the course, what should the distance between the car and the left curb be? A. 0.5 meter. B. 1 meter. C. 1.5 meters. A. 0.5 meter. 2. When should you full lock steering wheel to reverse into the lot? A. When the rear left door handle is in line with the front right curb. B. When the front left door handle is in line with the front right curb. C. When the rear left wheel is in line with the front right curb. B. When the front left door handle is in line with the front right curb. 3. How will the car respond when you full lock steering wheel to the left? A. The car will swing to the left. B. The car will swing to the right. C. The car will swing inwards. B. The car will swing to the right. 4. What is the correct way to check that the rear right wheel touches the yellow line? A. Look at the rear view mirror. B. Look at the right side view mirror. C. Turn your head to look over your right shoulder. B. Look at the right side view mirror. 5. What should you do when the rear right wheel meets with the yellow line? A. Full lock steering wheel to the right. B. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and reverse further into the lot. C. Continue to reverse straight into the lot. A.